Hello and welcome back. Looks like today we're working on puzzle number 128. Let's see. Let's start off with this box here. Looks like we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 2 and 5 here. So 8, a 2 here. So 5 and 2. If we look at this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here. So 9, 6. If we look at this box now, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. Got no help here. So 4, 6, 8. No help here. 4, 6, 8. And a 6 here. So 4, 8. If we look at this row, looks like we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 2 here. So 4, 8, and that means that our 2 has to be here. If we look at this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4 and a 5, and we don't have any help. So 4, 5, 4, 5. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got a 3 and a 9 there. So 1 and 9 here. So 3 and 9. For this box then, looks like we're missing a 1, 5, and 8. We've got a 1 here and a 5 here. So 8, and that 1 makes this our 5 and 1. For this row then, looks like we're missing a 2 and a 6. We've got a 6 here. So 2, 6. And for this box then, we're missing a 3 and a 5. We've got a 5 here. So 3, 5. If we go back over here, this 8 makes this our 4 and 8. We can get rid of our 8s here and here. If we look at this column now, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 there. So 2, 8. 9 here. So 2, 8. That means our 9 has to be here. We do this column, looks like we're missing a 1, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 here. So 1, 8. A 1 and 8 here. So 5, a 1 here. That makes this our 8, and this is our 1. For this box then, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 8, 6, 8. That means our 3 has to be here. If we look at this column now, looks like we're missing a 1 and a 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. For this box then, we're missing 4 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 4, 7, 4, 7. We do this row, looks like we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 7, so that means our 3 has to be here. If we do this column, looks like we're missing 2, 4, 5, and 7. Don't see any help here. So 2, 4, 5, 7. Here we've got 2, 5, and 7. So this has to be our 4. That makes this our 7. And we've got a 5 here. So this is our 2 and our 5. That 7 makes this our 4 and 7. right. If we work on this box, then we're this 2 would make this our 8 and 2. And that 8 makes this our 6 and 8. And that 6 makes this our 4 and 6. So for this box, then we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here. So 9, 1. For this box, looks like we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here. So 4, 8. That 4 makes this our 5, 4. And for this box, then we're still missing a 3 and a 7. We've got a 3 here. So 7 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.